Whether you choose to hand wash your car occasionally or you're a regular weekend detailer, getting a pristine and thorough clean starts with a good quality car wash soap. It needs to be tough enough to cut through stubborn road grime, tar, dirt, and brake dust, but gentle enough not to damage your car's paint and clear coat. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car wash soap in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Duragloss Car Wash Concentrate. Duragloss Car Wash Concentrate is a premium-grade shampoo that leaves no streaks or spots on your vehicle's paint. It uses a highly concentrated blend of mild surfactants and cleaners with no acids, alkali, or other additives that can dull your vehicle's polish. The suds penetrate and lift foreign particles, including dirt and grime, creating a sheeting effect that makes your car easier to rinse off. It's able to be used in foam guns as well as all professional car washing equipment. Number 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Wax and Wash Car Washington. Meguiar's is the brand to choose if you want quality detailing products for your car. Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is one of the most highly regarded and popular car wash soaps on the market. This dual-action cleaning product promises to cleanse your vehicle's exterior and restore a fresh, lustrous shine. It combines car wash soap and protective wax ingredients in one highly effective solution. It's perfect for adding that extra oomph factor to your car and between regular waxes, and the wash actually boosts the wax's shine. With every wash, this soap will help add a glow to your car's paint surface. Number 3. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Washington. Turtle Wax is well respected in the auto care and detailing sector, and its Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax is an example of why. This pH-balanced hybrid wash uses environmentally safe biodegradable detergents combined with rich foam conditioners to deliver an all-encompassing, over-the-top cleaning. It won't strip or dissolve sealants or waxes and is gentle yet strong enough to be used on all vehicle types. This soap is infused with a pleasant and fun fruity fragrance and can be easily applied with a foam cannon sprayer, or by hand with the premium and ultra-soft wash mitt. Number 4. 303 Ultra Concentrated Car Washington. Since 1980, the brand 303 has been a leader for cleaning products popular with automotive, home, and boating applications. It has developed formulas to combat UV exposure, high-speed winds, and other forces of nature. The ultra-concentrated car wash, a pH-neutral foam formula that works through dirt, grime, and road pitch for a deep gloss finish and streak-free shine. Number 5. Chemical Guy Citrus Wash and Gloss. The citrus wash and gloss not only smells good, it also provides powerful results due to its hyper-concentrated formula and high gloss content. It's designed to remove mud and grime and produce streak-free results. It generates thick suds that minimize swirl marks, and it leaves behind a slick, shiny surface area. The product is simple to rinse off and is safe to use on any color paint. It makes paint look shiny and glossy, and you can eliminate difficult to remove debris from your vehicle with less scrubbing compared to some rival products. That was our list of the top 5 best car wash soap in 2023 just for you.